Now, next part is that electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells. Then this consists of two types, that is chemical cells and other one is concentration cells. This also consists of electrode concentration cells, electrode concentration cells and electrolyte concentration cells. This also electrolyte concentration cells also consists of electrolyte concentration cells without transference and electrolyte concentration cells with transference. Chemical cells also consists of chemical cells without transference and chemical cells with transference. Now let's discuss one by one. First, you have to discuss the chemical cells without transference. Chemical cells without transference. These are the most important points for the examination point of view, because all these types of cells will ask in the exam for 10 or 8 marks. So you should prepare very well. Then first of all you have to tell us the meaning of chemical cells without transference. The meaning is that chemical cells without transference means this cell can be constructed by selecting two electrodes and electrolyte. Two electrodes and electrolyte such that one electrode is reversible to cation of the electrolyte and other electrode is reversible to anion of the electrode. Consider the following cell, that is PT. PT means inert matter. In case of gas or liquid, this is the hydrogen electrode. Electrolyte is that HCl. Then another electrode is AgCl. It is solid. And Ag. Now look at this. The meaning is that this cell can be constructed by selecting two electrodes and electrolyte. Means this is the hydrogen electrode, this is the AgCl electrode. This electrode means hydrogen, in this case, in this cell, hydrogen electrode is reversible to cation, means H plus ions of the electrolyte. This is HCl is the electrolyte. This is the hydrogen electrode, this is the AgCl electrode. Therefore, hydrogen electrode is reversible to H plus ions of the electrolyte, and AgCl electrode is reversible to Cl minus ions of the electrolyte HCl. So in this way, this example clears the definition. Let's find the half cell reactions and EMF of the cell is. First of all, I have to write half cell reaction. Half cell reaction at negative electrode is. Half cell reaction negative electrode is like this. One half, that is at negative electrode oxidation takes place. Therefore, reaction is that 1 half H2 gaseous state at suitable pressure gives H plus ions in aqueous state plus electrons. This is the oxidation half reaction. Step 2. In all these electrochemical cells, there are only 6 steps. You must remember sequentially. First one is that half cell reaction at negative electrode. Second step is that electrode potential. Electrode potential is given by E means electrode potential electrode is here means E H2 is equal to E0 H2 minus 2.303 RT upon F, because the value of N is 1, into log of activity of reducer state. This is the reducer state, this is the oxidizer state. Activity of H plus ions, since N is equal to 1. Then third step is that half cell reaction at positive electrode is. Half cell reaction at positive electrode is, that is AgCl. So AgCl is equal to E0 AgCl minus 2.303 RT upon F. Here also the value of N is this is electrode potential. Half cell reaction can be written as AgCl plus electrons. This is the reduction half cell reaction, this is the oxidation half cell reaction. Ag, all these things you should learn in the types of electrodes. This is the half cell reaction at positive electrode. Then fourth step is that electrode potential is given by, write down the electrode potential, that is AgCl is equal to E0 AgCl. This is the standard electrode potential of AgCl electrode, minus 2.303 RT upon F, because here the value of N is 1. Log of activity of reducer state means activity of Ag, activity of Cl ions upon activity of AgCl. Hence, ER means electrode potential of right hand side electrode is equal to E AgCl is equal to, write down this as it is, AgCl minus 2.303 RT upon F into log of activity of Cl minus, because in this case activity of, in electrochemistry activity of solid or liquid is always considered as 1. In this case Ag is solid, AgCl is also solid, therefore its activity, their activities are 1. So can write this reason A is activity of Ag or activity of AgCl is equal to 1. Remaining part we will learn in the next slide.